Hello. So this is kind of a cool day for me. I'm getting to unbox a guitar that I've had before. So a few years ago I was in not exactly the best place and I had to get rid of an instrument that took me years to find. 2002 Emerald Green Custom 24 Trem, which was an instrument I'd wanted for years and years and years, thanks to, of course, a lot of people's reason for getting this particular one, Daniel Johns from Silverchair. Unfortunately, I got rid of it, and then about a month later, I pretty much kicked myself for it because I ended up out of the situation that was the reason why I got rid of it, if you know what I mean. So, I finally was able to re-get back this guitar. And here it is. So this is sort of an unboxing day, so to speak. Not to copy one of my favorite YouTubers, Stay Metal Ray, but I'm going to pull out a pair of blue handle scissors. Not pink handle, because to be honest, I just haven't been able to find a pair. And we are going to check this out. Okay, it's open. Green pattern. That's always cool, I guess. And this thing is a monster to take out. Okay, officially, it is unboxed. So let's take this monster out, because it has been a while. You know what, let me put this light on here, and I will go ahead and give you a better view. Flame is just as sick as I was remembered. Just absolutely beautiful. Almost pristine bridge. Notice the bobbins on these pickups are not cut up, which is something very common for some reason. This neck is perfect. I'll probably have to flip that video around so it looks a little more normal. Got the original case candy here. Hang tag and all that. Not that that's like super important, but you know, for collectors and all that, it's almost like a be-all, end-all for some reason. So let me go through this again. There's that ridiculous flame. Perfect clean bridge. That neck is just so clean. pristine. Ah. So, needless to say, I am pretty ecstatic. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, plug in for a little bit, and yeah, have a little bit of fun.